Today's chapter is direct and indirect speech. So first of all, let's focus on its structure. Now let's focus on the form of the direct speech. In direct speech, the exact words of the speaker are put within inverted commas. Direct speech कहिले प्रत्यक्ष उक्ति एवं डायरेक्ट स्पीच रे स्पीकर जहा कहे ताहा इन्वर्टेड कॉमा मध्यरे रही थाए. The first word of the direct speech begins with the capital letter. इन्वर्टेड कॉमा मध्यरे थिबा डायरेक्ट स्पीच रो प्रथम शब्दटी कैपिटल लेटर रु स्टार्ट हेबो. The verb that precedes the direct speech is called reporting verb. डायरेक्ट स्पीच पूर्वरु जेउ वर्बटी व्यवहार करा जिवो ताहाकू रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब बोली कुहा जाए. The quoted words are separated from the reporting verb by a comma. Inverted comma भितरे थिबा सेंटेंस टी रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब टारु गोटे कॉमा द्वारा अलगा होई थाए. But you should have to remember that in modern times most writers use one inverted comma instead of two inverted comma. आजिकाली केतेक राइटर्स सिंगल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा को व्यवहार करथांती. Now let's focus on the example. Manoj said, I am busy. In this sentence, the speaker is Manoj. And here, I am busy is the exact word of Manoj, which is within inverted commas. Here, in the direct speech, the first word of the sentence begins with the capital letter. And the verb which precedes the direct speech is called the reporting verb. So here, said is known as reporting verb. And these quoted words are separated from the reporting verb by a comma. Now let's learn about the form of the indirect speech. In indirect speech, the inverted commas are omitted. डायरेक्ट स्पीच रे थिबा सेंटेंस टी इन्वर्टेड कॉमा भितरे थिला बेले इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रे इन्वर्टेड कॉमा ओमिट हे जाए अर्थात उठी जाए. नो कॉमा इज यूज्ड आफ्टर द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रे रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब परे कॉमा रो व्यवहार होई न थाए. द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच इज जनरली फॉलोड बाय द कंजक्शन दैट. रिपोर्टेड स्पीच पूर्वरु कंजक्शन दैट को व्यवहार करा जाय थाए. The reported speech ends with a full stop, no matter what type of sentence the direct speech is. Reported speech बा indirect speech सबु बेले गोटे full stop रे शेषो होई थाए. Indirect speech interrogative sentence किंबा exclamatory sentence किंबा imperative sentence जेकोनोसी sentence हेउना काहे कि indirect speech रे convert होला परे एहार शेषो रे गोटे full stop को व्यवहार करा जाय थाए. For example, Manoj said that he was busy. In this sentence, he was busy is the reported speech and there is no inverted commas are there. And there is no comma after the reporting verb. And the reported speech is followed by the conjunction that. And it ends with a full stop. Now let's understand the rules of the direct and indirect speech. First of all, let's focus on the present tense. When the direct speech is in present simple tense, the structure is subject plus main verb 1 or main verb 5. When it converts into indirect speech, it will become past simple and the structure is subject plus main verb 2. जेतेबेले रिपोर्टिंग verb पास्ट टेंस रे रही थाए सेते बेले जदि डायरेक्ट स्पीच प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस रे थाए तेबे इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रे एहा पास्ट सिंपल रे परिणत होई जाए. फॉर एग्जांपल, मोनिका सेड आई लिव इन दिल्ली. हियर द स्पीकर इज मोनिका and here the reporting verb is said and the actual word of the speaker is I live in Delhi and here live is in present simple tense. And this direct speech is within inverted comma and it is separated by a comma from the reporting verb. When we convert this sentence into indirect speech, it will be Monica said that she lived in Delhi. Though the reporting verb is in past tense, that is why the simple present tense in direct speech turns into past simple tense in indirect speech. And here we can see this is the indirect speech in which there is no inverted comma and it is followed by the conjunction that. जेतेबेले रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस रे थाए सेतेबेले जदि डायरेक्ट स्पीच प्रेजेंट सिंपल अछि तेबे इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रे कन्वर्ट हैला परे एहा पास्ट सिंपल रे परिणत होई जाए. When the direct speech is in present progressive tense, in indirect speech it converts into past progressive tense. जदि डायरेक्ट स्पीच प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस रे थाए तेबे इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रे एहा पास्ट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस को परिणत होई जाए. For example, Rohit said, I am driving. Here we can see the reporting verb is in past tense and the statement of the speaker is I am driving. Here am driving is in present progressive tense. When we convert into indirect speech, it will be Rohit said that he was driving. Here was driving is past progressive tense. Another thing is in direct speech, the actual word of the speaker is I am driving. Here subject is I. Though I refers to Rohit, that is why instead of I we use he. In this sentence, he also refers to Rohit. When the direct speech is in present perfect tense, the structure is subject plus has have plus MV3. In indirect speech, it turns into past perfect tense and the structure is subject plus had plus MV3. जेतेबेले डायरेक्ट स्पीच प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस रे थाए इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रे कन्वर्ट हैला परे ताहा पास्ट परफेक्ट होई जाए. फॉर एग्जांपल, Ashish said, I have seen this movie. Here the direct speech is in past perfect tense. And let's convert into indirect speech. Ashish said that he had seen that movie. Here had seen is past perfect. So present perfect turns into past perfect. In direct speech, the subject is I, which refers to Ashish. That is why in indirect speech, in the place of I, we write he, which also refers to Ashish. Now, when the direct speech is in present perfect progressive tense, the structure is subject plus has or have been plus MB1 ing. In indirect speech, it turns into past perfect progressive tense and the structure is subject plus had been plus MB1 ing. For example, Seema said, I have been singing. Here, have been singing is in present progressive tense. Now let's convert into indirect speech. It will be Seema said that she had been singing. Here, had been singing is the past perfect progressive tense. As Seema is a girl, that is why instead of I, we use she and she refers to Seema. So students, here we have discussed that how the tense is changed from direct speech to indirect speech. Now let's understand present simple tense which are unchanged. It means the tense which is used in direct speech that remains same in indirect speech. When the direct speech is in present simple tense and it is a universal truth, for example, father said the sun rises in the east. In indirect speech, it is also present simple and it will be father said that the sun rises in the east. Here we can see the sun rises in the east is a universal truth. जेतेबेले डायरेक्ट स्पीच एक यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ होई थाए सेतेबेले एथिरे थिबा टेंस इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रे मध्य सेम होई थाए अर्थात कोनोसी प्रकार परिवर्तन हुए नाही. जेमिति कि फादर सेड द सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट. बापा कहंती सूर्य पूर्व दिगरे उदय हुए अर्थात सूर्य पूर्व दिगरे उदय हेबाटा गोटे चिरंतन सत्य अटे। तेणु एही सेंटेंस को इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रे कन्वर्ट कला बेले तार टेंस रे कोनोसी प्रकार परिवर्तन हेबो नाही। When the direct speech is a scientific truth, then also the verb remains same in indirect speech. For example, the scientist said oil floats on water. वैज्ञानिक माने कहूथिले तेल पानी रे भासे। तो तेल पानी रे भासीबाटा गोटे वैज्ञानिक सत्य अटे। तेणु रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस थिले मध्य जदि डायरेक्ट स्पीच प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस रछि ताहा इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रे मध्य प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस ही रहिबो। The scientist said that oil floats on water. When the direct speech is a geographical truth, in indirect speech it remains same. For example, father said spring comes after winter. बापा कहउथिले शीत परे बसंत आसे। तो शीत परे बसंत आसीबाटा गोटे जियोग्राफिकल ट्रुथ बा आमे याकू साइंटिफिक ट्रुथ मध्य कहि परिबा। तो शीत परे बसंत आसीबाटा एक सत्य अटे, एक भौगोलिक सत्य बा एक वैज्ञानिक सत्य अटे। तेणु रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस रे थिले मध्य जदि डायरेक्ट स्पीच रे वर्ब प्रेजेंट टेंस रे अछि तेबे इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रे कन्वर्ट हैला परे मध्य ताहा प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस रे रहिबो। When the direct speech is a habitual action, the verb in the direct speech remains same in the indirect speech. For example, Tuttu said, I go for a walk every morning. Here every morning is written. That means it refers to the habitual action of Tuttu. That is why the verb go, which is in present simple tense, it remains same in indirect speech as present simple tense. Because though in the direct speech the subject is I and I refers to Tuttu and Tuttu is a boy, that is why instead of I here he is used, and he is the third person singular number, that is why here goes, which is MB5, is used. जेते बेले डायरेक्ट स्पीच गोटे हैबिचुअल एक्शन को बुझाए सेते बेले डायरेक्ट स्पीच जदि प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस रे अछि तबे इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच रे मध्य प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस रे रहिबो। So today is this much. We will meet in our next class with a new concept.